Hey guys, Tony here, and in this video I want to cover some information about keywords everywhere. Now we have a tool within the Adblasta software, okay, keywords everywhere. Now what you can do with this is you can get some information about the monthly searches, cost per click, competition. We've also built in two extra tools in here, which are basically tools that I wanted for me to use. And this basically is more for search engine optimization than it is for PPC. Now you don't need this to be able to use any of the campaign tools up here, but where it is good is that we can find what the competition is for specific keywords. If you start to see some good impression count, or you spot a keyword within your ad campaigns that kind of stands out and you're thinking to yourself, I wonder if I could rank for that keyword as well, or get some organic traffic from that keyword as well, then what you can do is you can come in here and you can get the information needed. Okay, so apart from telling you the monthly searches and cost per click and the competition, it will tell you the allintitle competition, and it will tell you if any keyword here has got video on page 1 of Google as well, which is kind of good information if you want to go the organic route as well as the PPC. Okay, so for example, this here you can see allintitle's got 96 competition. That's 96 pieces of content on Google that has this keyword within the title, pay for YouTube promotion. Okay, so you can see that with 3,600 monthly searches, this could be worth going after with organic campaigns. Okay, so maybe you want to do some search engine optimization stuff. So you can see why I built this, but the only problem with this one is it doesn't have video on page 1 of Google, but that doesn't mean too much, because what we can do then is we can basically sculpt our headline, our title, to include some keywords that does have video on page 1 of Google. Okay, so you can just see YouTube promotion has got video on page 1. YouTube, let's see if I'll find a better one. How to promotion YouTube channel, etc. You can find different keywords that will fit into having video on page 1. Okay, so how do we get the credits for this? Well, you can come over to keywordseverywhere.com/credits. Okay, and you can see here you can buy credits for $10. I bought mine in January when we did the first launch of the Google Sites poster. Now if I come up here into the keywords everywhere, it's a Chrome extension. You need to install the Chrome extension. If I click on that, you can see I've still got 72,000 credits left. Okay, that was from $10 I spent in January. It's kind of hard to use up the credits. Okay, so this can last for quite a long time, but it's also got some great stuff in there as well that you might not be aware of. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to install the Chrome extension. Once you've got that installed, you're going to connect your account, buy your credits and put your API key in there. You can also put your API key into the settings over here. Okay, so the settings, you're going to keywords everywhere, click on that, you can put in your API key and click on save. Now when you come into YouTube, or when you do a search on Google for example, you will see a widget on the right hand side. It's got some good information. If you look at the information that vidIQ gives you, this keywords everywhere gives you identical information here. Okay, identical information, and you can click on here to show advanced metrics. Okay, and that's going to show over here some advanced metrics over here, how many subscribers in channels, etc. And you can see how many views per day that a specific video is getting. This is kind of good information. This is actually very, very good information. And over here where it says detailed breakdown, if you click on that, it's going to open a new window. And this is kind of important for me. I like this very, very much, because we can see how many views, we can see the age of the video, and we can see a whole bunch of different information, including the ranking difficulty as well, and all in a single click. Okay, so we can get access to all that kind of stuff, and you can see basically good information here. You can actually find, like for example, what kind of headlines people are responding to. You can see straight away it's about making money. YouTube ads affiliate marketing is about making money. and you can see this one here, 12,000. It's about making money, etc. So if you've got some case study, or you want to break down someone else's case study, that can work really well. So anyway, that's all I really needed to cover for this. I actually built that tool really for my own use within here, so that I don't have to jump over to TubeKit or another tool to be able to get the same information. I like to work within the tool I'm working in instead of having 2 or 3 of them open. So that's basically why I put this in there. But it is a good tool if you want to understand the possibilities for organic traffic as well.